A crucial meeting convened by Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Transport Department Sniawbhalang Dhar was held on the 15th of July 2025 to deliberate on new rules and regulations concerning the operation of commercial vehicles in the state. The meeting also saw the presence of Tourism Minister and Government spokesperson Lyngdoh alongside senior Transport Department officials. Addressing reporters after the meeting, Tourism Minister Lyngdoh stated that the Transport Department has resolved to introduce certain regulatory measures focused on ensuring the safety of passengers, particularly tourists and individuals commuting late at night. Among the key decisions was the mandatory display of driver information inside all commercial vehicles for public viewing.
Ka jingsngan jong ki nonglek namwan khamtam hadin jong ka jinglang kiu jong ki priu ki ba panjngo ya ka shulong pat ki wi de kishnong jong ka jila jongi ka ba bur nakaru kade ki kinta ki ba lapalat ya ka kwe kata puji enmi te hakini ki jingalang hadin ka jing ya tai ka ba sani ba nila shim ya karai ba menta hapo jongka shibnai in pentikna ba baro ki nongnya kali kamai kemut ki commercial vehicles ikali ki bakamai ki kin penpau kin display ya ke information baro ka jingtip shipang ki driver abumut bakin display ha ka kemat jongka kali ka seat ke bawah syong hiu driver ya ke kerting ya ke license but ya ke contact number jong driver di kani kan ya daru na ke jing penodkam ya kejuk ke kali banyak daar pelat yo tu driver badan ya ke license di kani kan pentingna ya ke jing singan jong ki nolek nawan ngin ai ke right publicity ke jing pentip ba ka ba salon sar ka bayar marmar bad hadin kata ngin ai por shibnai ya baro ki try kali bakin pentikna ba kin display ya kani ka jing tip chapang laki jongi kali kani kan pentikna ba i manu ki ba shongkali hakanu ko por ru lagi di tamarway lagi di kena ru kemut tidak ada lupa kejingsingan bagi tip penuh banyak ya ke kali ke license ke number ke license details kita nanti buat kunjuk ke contact number jong driver.
Lyngdoh emphasized that the new rule would also help curb the practice of multiple individuals driving the same vehicle, thereby enhancing passenger safety. He added that a consultation meeting would soon be held with vehicle owners, associations and unions to brief them on the new regulations for effective implementation. In a further clarification, the Tourism Minister informed that commercial vehicle drivers will be required to visibly display their name, license number, driver details and contact information within their vehicle. He affirmed that the government would ensure strict compliance with these safety norms across all commercial vehicle transport services operating within the state of Meghalaya.
Ya kani ngila ke step ke ba ngin chimenta ke senjam ke ngin chimenta ke lomba ngin khot ya jingalang bat kini ki organizations associations ngidang shuyo ya I director ba thamai bilang shuan enjoyment artayo de ngin ipori ba in study ba hai kini kam harin ketu ngan sakhat kini jingalang bat ngin pentikna ban kan dan ka compliance.
Hadu no.
Ya borok kiba deban register buat ke transport department kes.
Ki sumo ki bus.
Ki kenduk bet ya borok ki jat kali. Ka besul kamu dia borok. Hi kali kamai. Like ni kali sarkar kemut ki nu ki kali ki bayang bat ki pendankam ya ka license ke jongki nak benda ban kamai ja kita ki commercial vehicles.
Mungkin ikhlas kan mandatory.
Kalau mandatory ha.